Thanks to server products, keeping scoops, knives, tongs, and other utensils clean and handy can be an easy and environmentally friendly process. The ConserveWell Drop-In Dipper Well replaces traditional Dipper Well perpetual-flow sinks, saving water, energy, and money. This unit is designed to drop into an existing cutout to keep utensils sanitary and easily accessible. The well ensures proper sanitation by holding serving utensils at 140 degrees Fahrenheit, a temperature at which bacteria cannot grow. This Dipper Well's housing is built with a Cool Touch composite material that protects users and reduces burn risks. Additionally, a programmable countdown timer alerts users when water in the well needs to be changed. Ready to add this water and energy-saving Dipper Well to your kitchen? Visit us online at KaTom.com or call one of our friendly customer care representatives at 1-800-541-8683 today.